Boston Ripping Rollers. It's a Thursday morning, a little rainy. Going to check the birds out. Good morning, birds. Pens look okay. Oh, I got a couple birds that went lesbian. Some of the pairs are taking the milk crates as nest boxes. I got a pair over there. The black and whites keep on going with the yellows over there, like they want to share the box. I don't know what's going to happen over there. There's my two youngsters on the floor, my first two this year. They're getting big. Soon they'll be in the kit box. My almonds, I was doing my almond project. I got two youngsters up there from them. Let me show you the youngsters. So that's 4 youngsters this year. Take a little peek at these two little hooligans. There they are. They look like they're gonna have some color. I hope they're almonds. We'll see. Because these black and whites keep on going into this nest box. Yeah, these two black and whites keep on going in. Shut that for a little while. Those black and whites from the tiger family, Turner bloodline. They keep on going in there with the yellows. They gotta find a nest box or a milk crate. There's plenty on the bottom there. They just gotta get some nest bowls. Like the reds and the whites, took those 2. I had 2 more. But it is what it is. They gotta find a nest box. Maybe I'll put a nest box up there, 1 more milk crate up there for them. Maybe they'll take it. I hope. Everybody else is down on eggs. Should be hatching in a couple more weeks. The white bar and the yellow got another set of eggs. Say a couple more weeks for them too. The coon roe pair, a Dalmatian hen, and this taut cockbird son from a meeting at Tony's. My yellows are doing well. They got bulls. Matter of fact, they were making nests earlier. They want to go into that box. I shut it though. For now, I'll open it up later. Maybe the cockpit won't let them back in there after a while. We'll see. Give them a chance, the yellows, to clean their box again. I don't know if 2 pairs can share a box. I put another nest ball on the other corner. I don't know if that will work. I truly don't know. But I'm going to try another milk crate up in that corner there, or up in the top there, and see if that works. I want to throw maybe another pair or two in here, but I don't want them going up into the boxes where I got eggs. Maybe I'll wait till the babies hatch and they get a little bigger. We'll see. These two pairs of yellows, the yellow models and the solid yellows, drew some really good youngsters last year. So I'm letting them go again. I mean, I used their youngsters. There's a pair of yellow youngsters in there. One from the model family, the one from the solid yellow family in that nest box. And then up in the next nest box, I think I got one from either the solid yellows or the yellow model. Over here, I think it's the solid yellow. I used most of their youngsters because they were spinning good in the sky. I don't know how kid sensitive they were because I had to take them in early because the hawks started going crazy on me. So that white bar turns out to be a good father. He's taking good care of those youngsters. He's down there feeding them earlier. I'm feeding them pellets now, the breeders. They're getting a lot of pellets all over the floor. Maybe I should skip feeding them today. Maybe they'll eat all those pellets all over the floor. I think I might try that today. Skip them, see if they pick up the pellets. I won't even add any more pellets. Wow, that was a hell of a bang. Cockbirds all want to find a hen. I don't know what that was. Some kind of weird noise. See, I got water in the corner there. I gotta paint that so the water won't seep in anymore. It's just coming from the rain hitting the side of the coop there, the bottom of the coop, that side. I'm gonna put a pen going across from there all the way down to here. I'm gonna put a pen for these birds so they can go outside, get some sun, take baths, and enjoy the coops, you know. I don't know if I'm gonna put a pen on the kit boxes or a pen that I could take off and put on. I'm deciding that. I gotta get these birds up. World Cup's in May. And I haven't even flown any birds. I haven't even broken any of these birds in yet. So, but I'm gonna do it anyways, just for the guys to come over, see the coop. You know, I gotta see how many hawks take out how many birds, because I'm breeding all these birds now. Basically, I did this so I can fly in the World Cup, but I gotta set this up so I can fly. I really do. It's not set up for flying yet. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do this. I might put the drops on the pen outside this. I think that would be one of the ways. Or cutting a hole, bigger hole up there, in the top and putting drops there for when they come in the kit box. I really gotta figure this out quick. The next couple nice days, I'm gonna get these birds out one way or another. They gotta get out. I gotta fly them. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Got 13 in here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I got 14 in here. I need 20 for the kit. Who's that? 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I got 22 birds. So I gotta put these all, combine these into the kit. But the cocks are gonna wanna mate with these hens right away. And I don't want them making, having eggs in the kit box. But what am I gonna do? I need 20 birds to fly, so I'm gonna have to move these over to this kit box here, and then I can put all the new youngsters in this one and start breaking them in. See, I won't have all my birds in the kit yet until probably next year. When I fly in the World Cup next year, there'll be all my birds, and I'm pretty sure I'll have a lot better kit next year. But I am gonna send the money order today to Jimmy Johnson to be in the World Cup for our region. Yeah. All these birds should be coming down on eggs probably next week. The new ones. See how they're trying to get in there, those black and whites? Okay? The yellows are trying to defend it. Yeah. Pain in the asses. So I'm going to stick a milk crate up there today and see if those black and whites take the milk crate. That's all I can do is try that. If they don't, then I'm going to have to remove them. But I really wanted to see what I get out of them. Out of those black and whites. But yeah, it's a bum deal. I might have to split them up. Put the cock over here, put the hen over there, you know, up until I get a couple of youngsters out of these yellows, and then I can split the yellows up. Put the cock yellow here, put the yellow hen over there, but I'm gonna let them have 2 sets. So I don't know. I'll try a milk crate up there today. See if the black and whites will take the milk crate. I don't got any more bowls. I'm supposed to be getting my bowls today from Jed's. All right, Boston Ripping Rolla signing out. Everybody have a great day. Be safe.